it.
Be careful with the knife, huh?
Sir.
No discussion for the time being, huh? No conversation.
No,
I
sir.
want to throw away this.
Sir?
So Henry, your
Yan,
specialization
one
is
of
what?
our guests for dinner. Wala biro sa akin yan eh.
Pag-iyan mo.
Or maybe just
With the battery, I think.
So your specialization is chopping, huh?
Yes, sir. I try my best.
You try to
Yes, sir.
So your specialization, chopping. What is your role in the kitchen, Henry?
Dishwashing, sir.
Huh?
Dishwashing.
Washing
Dishwasher.
is not a function of the kitchen. Washing is a function of the washing machine. You have washing machine in the house?
You have.
For the dishwasher, yeah.
But sometimes for rushing, we use for on the
Lot of
end.
people.
At the end, sir. We use it for the after
Okay.
dinner.
So what you have cooked for dinner tonight?
Crab, sir. Crab. Crab.
I'm scared. Be careful, huh? What do you have cooked for tonight?
the crab and the chicken.
I don't eat crab.
Done. Doon sa drawer.
Sorry.
Open the crab.
Alam mo ang tibay nito tali. Okay na?
Okay.
Ano kuya?
Ayan ang itsura. Second round.
Oops.
Ha?
Right. Okay. Serving na?
Hinihila lang to eh, isa.
Oo. Yung ginger mo yan, kukunin ko na.
Dahan-dahan lang para hindi
Tikman mo,
sumano.
te.
Second round.
Para kung sino
Unang
gusto
latsong.
mag-rice.
Bilis kasi.
Di ba gusto nila madami yan? Oh.
Magbablog ka na.
Oh, extra ka pare ko. Yan si panier niyo.
Parang hindi yan masyado nakamatay na.
She's going now.
Kuya, kuya, kuya!
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. She's going now. Come on. Mahirapan ko siya.
Laban.
Sinusukan natin.
Yung gin.
Yan o. Wow.
Ah. Sir, o banatan mo ito. Bukas ng mali.
Ano ba dyan dapat? Ano yun yan? Kapit tayo. Parang masarap lang yun yung ano ng sihid na eh.
Ano yung multo mo?
Ayun no? Ay, ito na lang.
Ah, lala.
Yan. Okay. Okay, ganun.
Sarap naman. Ano niya? Alili niya?
Sabay, wala kayo lang sa bigan. May pangalan yan.
Maganda. Akala mo kakainin is ano lang yun ah. Masarap ng suka?
Oo. Tama lang sa tamis.
Ba't biglang nanahimag sila?
Balik na.
Sarap?
Ako na.